Party people! Welcome back to CelebXplore Hub, where we bring you the juiciest gossip straight from the stars. Now, imagine this: Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce, and Coachella. Sounds like a recipe for some serious fun, right? Well, hold on to your hats because we've got the inside scoop on what went down between these two at the iconic music festival. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. So, what really happened when Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce hit up Coachella? Well, thanks to the eagle-eyed lip reader Jackie Gonzalez, we've got the tea. According to Jackie, Taylor was living her best life, soaking in the festival vibes with her beau, Travis Kelce. From front-row privileges to adorable introductions, these two were the ultimate festival power couple. Taylor couldn't contain her excitement as she and Travis snagged prime seats right in front of the stage. "Oh my God, we're in the front!" she exclaimed. And talk about adorable moments, Taylor even introduced a lucky fan to Travis, spreading the love to her Swifties. But it wasn't just about the music. Taylor was spotted belting out her own hit Karma and cheering like a true fan. And let's not forget the candid moment when she confessed, "Sorry I'm drunk," to Travis. Looks like Coachella brought out the party animal in our favorite pop star. But wait, there's more! Taylor's Coachella adventure didn't stop there. From selfies with Real Housewives star Teresa Giudice to epic dance moves with Travis, it was a weekend to remember. And according to Travis himself, he's a self-proclaimed Coachella guy. Looks like these two are a match made in festival heaven. And there you have it, folks, the inside scoop on Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce's epic Coachella rendezvous. What do you think of their festival antics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive celebrity updates. Until next time, this is CelebXplore Hub signing off. Catch you later!